Hello, welcome. In this section, we will discuss about Agile tools and techniques. In Agile tools and techniques, there are three different category of tools. One is project management tools such as Jira, Trello, Asana, etc. There are various other tools as well which are provided by different companies, and these tools are paid tools. It means you need to pay for the license and use it. Another category of tools is version control tools. Version control tools, you can use Git with GitHub, and you can use a Git with Bitbucket, and there are some other tools like SVN as well. Git with GitHub is one of the most popular distributed version control tool. These different tools are provided by different organizations. Most of them are paid. There is also a free version for individual usage, and for organizational usage you need to buy the license. And one more set of Agile tool is continuous integration and continuous deployment tools such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, Circle CI, etc. In the CI/CD tool as well, there are some free tools as well as paid tools. Here Jenkins is an open source and free tool, GitLab CI and Circle CI which are paid tools. In this lecture, we will discuss about the project management tools in Agile, and remaining tools like version control and CI/CD tools we will discuss in separate lectures. Agile project management tools. Let us discuss now about the Agile project management tools. Agile project management tools helps to plan, execute and manage the projects by following the Agile methodology. Agile project management tools are software platforms. They are designed to help the teams to plan, execute and manage the projects by following the Agile methodology. These tools helps the team to stay organized, collaborate efficiently and adapt to changes quickly, making it easier to deliver high quality work on time. Some of the key features of Agile tools are: one is task management. Teams can create, assign and track the task using these tools. Another key feature is sprint planning. Here it will help the team to organize the work into sprint. It means small time boxed cycles, and prioritize the task. Another feature is collaboration. Agile tools allow team members to share the updates, give the feedback and communicate effectively. And they also help in backlog management. It means manage the list of tasks or backlogs that need to be worked on in the future. They also help in progress tracking. Monitor the progress of the project through charts like burn down chart to see if the team is on track or not. They also provide a flexibility. Teams can easily make changes to the project plan as and when new requirements or feedbacks arise. The purpose of Agile tools include improving the collaboration. It means by keeping everything in one place, Agile tools ensure that team members are on the same page and easily communicate with each other. Second one is tracking the progress. Teams can see how much work has been done and how much is left, making it easier to meet the deadline. Another purpose is adaptability. Agile tools allow teams to adjust their plans and priorities quickly as new challenges or requirements arise. Another purpose is efficient task management. Tasks can be clearly organized and prioritized, helping the team to stay focused on what is most important.